Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're here, you're probably looking to cancel your Adobe subscription. Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll walk you through the process step by step, making it easy and stress-free. Let's get started. First, you need to sign in to your Adobe account. Open your web browser and go to adobe.com. Now, click on the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Here you'll need to enter your Adobe ID and password, then click sign in. Once you're signed in, you'll be redirected to the Adobe homepage. Hover over your profile icon in the top right corners and select view account from the drop down menu. Now tap on view all plans. On the plan and payment page, scroll down until you see the cancel plan. Click on it. Adobe will ask for a reason why you're canceling. Select the option that best describes the situation, then click continue. Next, you'll see a summary of your cancellation details. Review this information carefully. Adobe might offer you some alternatives like pausing your subscription instead of canceling. If you're sure about canceling, click continue to cancel. Finally, Adobe will ask you to confirm your cancellation. Click confirm to complete the process, and that's it. You've successfully cancelled your Adobe subscription. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more easy to follow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.